Hi. This topic is types of fluids and flow of fluids. Both are different topics. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು 7 types. Okay, the first type is a ideal fluid. Second one is ideal plastic fluid. Third one is a real fluid. So actually the real fluid is again further ideal fluid, real fluid, Newtonian fluid and non-Newtonian fluid. So these 4 types of fluids are main fluids actually. Okay, so another 3 types of fluids are called as subfluids. So one is ideal plastic fluid, another one is incompressible fluid, another one is compressible fluids. Clear? So what is ideal fluids? Okay, so by representing the graph, okay, so this is the graph, so plotted against a shear stress versus the shear strain. Okay, so in a real fluid, the shear stress and shear strain both are in linear. So the value of shear stress is always equal to the value of the shear strain. Okay, so in a shear stress and shear strain diagram, so both are linear in real fluid. So but in a ideal fluid, so the value of the ideal fluid is always higher. It will start from here. So this is the ideal fluid, so the value of shear stress is always 0. There is no stress, is called as ideal fluid. Okay, the shear next, the ideal fluid, real fluid is further classified into 2 types. One is a Newtonian fluid, another one is a non-Newtonian fluid. So this is called as non-Newtonian fluid, this is called as a Newtonian fluid. So Newtonian fluid, you observe like this type of linear lines will be created in Newtonian fluid. So but in non-Newtonian fluid, this type of curve will be generated. Okay, so for ideal plastic fluid, the higher the value of shear stress, it will start from here. So it not start from 0. That means higher the value of shear stress compared to shear strain. So it's called as ideal plastic fluid. Okay, so clear agi definition na nodta bandre, ideal fluids. Ideal fluid andre a fluid which is incompressible. ಯಾವ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಗಳು ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ವಿಸ್ಕಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ವಿಸ್ಕಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಸ್ಕಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್, ಎ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪೊಸೆಸಸ್ ಸಮ್ ವಿಸ್ಕಾಸಿಟಿ. So with a fluid which does not possess viscosity, it means ideal fluid. Clear? But a fluid which possesses some viscosity is called as a real fluid. Clear? So it's known as the real fluid. All the fluid in practice are known as real fluid. So now general again use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, general practice again use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So that type of all the fluid is called as real fluid. So for example, water is called as real fluid, but water is not called as ideal fluid. Water na real fluid anta karibodi, possess some viscosity, but water na ideal fluid anta kariyadikagalla. So this is the main difference. Okay, so next Newtonian fluids. Newtonian fluid means real fluids are further classified into 2 types. One is a Newtonian fluid, another one is the non-Newtonian fluid. So in a Newtonian fluid, a Newtonian fluid is a real fluid, clear, in which the shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain, is called as Newtonian fluid. So same thing in non-Newtonian fluid, it is a real fluid. So clear? So because non-Newtonian and Newtonian both are comes under real fluid, so in which the shear stress is not proportional to shear strain. Here proportional to shear strain, here not proportional to shear strain. This is the major difference between Newtonian fluid and non-Newtonian fluid. Newtonian fluid ಮತ್ತೆ non-Newtonian fluid ಇರೋಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ Newtonian fluid ನಲ್ಲಿ shear stress ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು shear strain ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ non-Newtonian fluid ನಲ್ಲಿ shear stress is not proportional to shear strain ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the major difference in between Newtonian fluid and non-Newtonian fluid. Clear? Okay, next one is ideal plastic fluid. So ideal plastic fluid means ದ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದೆ. ಆ 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. Okay, a fluid which shear stress is more than the yield value of more than the yield value. So this is the first condition. Always shear stress is more than the yield value. More than the yield value means, so this is the yield value actually. This is the yield value, normal yield value like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ yield value ಗಿಂತನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು shear stress. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ yield value. yield value ಗಿಂತನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ shear stress. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the first point, the fluid which shear stress is more than the yield value, this is called a first statement. Second statement, the shear stress is proportional to the rate of shear strength, so is called a second statement. So when the fluid satisfies these 2 statements, so then it is called as ideal plastic fluid. Clear? So totally 1 2 3 4 5 types is very important types. So first one is ideal fluid. It's ideal fluid means incompressible and having no viscosity. Real fluid means which possesses some viscosity is known as a real fluid. A Newtonian fluid is a real fluid. Non-Newtonian fluid is a real fluid. Shear stress directly proportional. Newtonian fluid. Shear stress is not directly proportional, is non-Newtonian fluid. Ideal plastic fluid which possesses 2 statements. The first one is shear stress is more than yield value. Second statement, shear stress is directly proportional to shear strength. So this is called as types of fluid flow. So objective questions nalli ಯಾವ fluid ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. So for example, a fluid which possesses some viscosity is called as dash ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ a fluid which is incompressible is called as dash type of fluid ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Or otherwise a fluid having no viscosity is called as dash type of fluid ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನ ಅರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋ. ನೀವು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋ. Second one is laminar and turbulent flow. Third one is uniform and non-uniform flow. Fourth one is rotational and irrotational flow. Fifth one is 1 and 2 3-dimensional flow. Last one is compressible and incompressible flow. So these are all the different types of fluid flow. So when is fluid flowing from one point to another point, it follows some different ways. These ways are called as fluid flows or types of fluid flows. Clear? So types of fluids flow ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, the first point in a fluid flow, steady flow. A steady flow is a flow in which the fluid characteristics like pressure, density, etc. does not vary with respect to time. Steady flow ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, steady flow ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ in which fluid characteristics, fluid ಗೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರೆಸರ್, ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ, etc ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇರಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್. ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೇರಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ದನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಡಿ flow is a flow in which the fluid characteristics like pressure, density are vary with respect to time is called as unsteady flow. Clear? So next, uniform flow. Uniform flow means a flow in which the velocity at any given time does not change with respect to time. So only focus on velocity in uniform flow. So velocity does not change. Does not change is called as uniform flow. Suppose velocity is changes at any time with respect to distance is called as non-uniform. So that means uniform flow and non-uniform flow is completely depends on velocity. So steady flow is depends on pressure and density and time. So if pressure and density does not change with respect to time is called as steady flow. So pressure and density it changes with respect to time is called as unsteady flow. Velocity does not change with respect to time, uniform flow. Velocity change with respect to time is called as non-uniform flow. What is compressible and incompressible flow? Compressible means if it is density it does not change. Density change ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ and water. So water, 1 liter water na, if possible to compress into half liter, any possibilities? There is no possibilities. Okay, so but 1 kg of gas, if possible to compress in half kg, so definitely it is possible by applying some force. So so density ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, so density it does not change in liquid. So the density does not change in liquid, that means incompressible flow. If density changes with respect to time or with respect to force, then it is called as compressible flow. So the flow in which the density of the fluid changes, so very important, density of fluid changes. Density of the fluid changes is called as compressible flow. Density of the fluid does not changes is called as incompressible flow. Clear? Yes. Thank you.